This is a tutorial on how to switch over to a featured article blog. We use the featured article blogs a lot, mainly for the front page layout. You can actually go in and tag any article in your website and it will automatically show up because you have designated that as a featured article. So they all show up on the same page. And let's get started. What I have done, this was one long article right here, and I basically broke this apart into 3 different articles. And those are all currently found in my article manager, and it is under the uncategorized category. And there are those 3. I'm going to go in there and quickly just kind of move these around so they'll be easier for you to find later. So I'm just going to create a new category. I'm going to call it Features. And I'm going to save and close that. So that's a little holding spot for our articles that we created. And I'm going to say 1, 2, and 3 are the ones I'm looking at. So I'm going to move those to features. Just scoot those right over there. Now I can actually go over here under my features category and take a look at my articles. Now if I wanted to change the order, I would click here and move these up or down. If you do move them around, you do have to click the little save thing over here. In order to feature these, later on we're going to build a menu that will take these articles and put them into a format in one page. And in order to do the featured blog, you have to have them featured. So to feature an article, you can do it inside the article. There's a little drop down that says featured. You can just toggle that to yes and save and close. Or if you're like me, you can just go right over here and do it the easy way and click on the featured, and it will take that and make it a little blue star for you. Okay, so those are ready to go. We now have this featured item designated, and let's go build us a menu. So we're going to go to Site Home. That is the site home of our site. And we're going to click this, open it up, and currently it's going to one static article. And we're going to change this. We're going to change the menu item type, and it's going to go to featured articles. And I'm going to leave it on all categories. That way if you have an article that's in a different category, it doesn't have to just be features. Then it'll pull from any category you need it to. The leading article, I'm going to go by the layout we have here. This is going to be the leading article. There is one article up top that is a full width, and I notice the other 2 below it are in 2 columns. So I'm going to keep this basic layout. So to get it the full width, we call that the leading article. So I'm going to make that 1. And the number of articles below it, that's going to be how many articles are showing. Looks like you want 2, so we'll put 2. You like the 2 column layout, so we'll put 2 columns. And number of links, if I had, say, 6 or 8, then I could go ahead and list all the previous articles that were featured below it. It just gives their title and makes the title hyperlink, so you can go and click on that and see that. I'll go ahead and enable that. If you hate it, then you can always go in here and just cancel it out. So the article order, we want to go with the article manager order. I really hate the pagination, so I always hide that. Unless it's just a huge site, there's no reason to have the pagination showing. And under article options, I want to show my title, and I want my title linked. And that all looks good. I'm going to click on Save. And let's go over here and take a preview of it. Okay, so it is amazingly similar to the other layout. It looks like I may have lost the formatting to put the video up here, but we can always go back on the article and fix that. But anyways, if you go up here and you click on one of these, then it takes you to the article itself. Voila. And there's our article. Okay, if you have any questions, just email me. Thank you.